Hello everyone, thank you for checking out today's video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Chris. We usually talk all about outdoor apparel here. Everything from jackets and base layers, pants, boots, backpacks, and even sunglasses here. I have a website called meandmyjackets.com where we look at what to wear when we're outdoors enjoying things like hiking, trekking, climbing, snowboarding, skiing, camping, fishing, and even sailing. So, a big part of that, is our base layers, our jackets, our pants, our boots, our backpacks, and yeah, our sunglasses, right? Sunglasses are a really important part of our outdoor adventures, and sometimes they get overlooked. So I have a bunch of videos here on this channel so far about Maui Jim sunglasses, which I really do like. And you can check out, I have videos on individual glasses, as well as basically like a little buyer's guide to Maui Jim stuff to kind of tell you all about it and what to look for and the different styles and all that. As well as a two-part video series about Maui Jim lenses. So Maui Jim makes incredible lenses. They're known for their lenses. So the videos that I have here are, again, two parts, all about their lenses and what makes them special. And, actually we look at what the views are through all the different colored lenses, so you can kind of see what to expect if you, want to buy a pair of sunglasses. Okay, that being said, today we are diving into a new pair of glasses here we just got from Maui Jim. These are the Hot Sands. So a very cool pair of glasses that are very sporty. They're actually considered like a rimless pair of sunglasses. So let's open up this box and pull them out and take a look. When you get a pair of Maui Jim sunglasses, you open the box, you will see there's two different levels. The bottom level here has the case, which is all folded up here in a nice little plastic sleeve. And the case is really nice because you see how flat and compact it can be if you need to pack it away. But it simply opens. It has a little magnet here in the front that holds it closed. And it opens up and it unfolds out here and it forms a nice little triangular case. Also inside that case you get a little Maui Jim cleaning cloth with their glasses. So that's nice. That's included as well. On the top part of the box is the package that contains the glasses. So we pull them out. You get the glasses and you get a little guide here, care guide kind of thing. So that's all in the package here. So let's put this aside. All right, and we have our glasses. So as I said, these are the Maui Jim Hot Sands. Now these are really sporty, very cool looking pair of sunglasses. They have a rimless design. They do have the frame across the top. It's a nice sturdy rigid frame across the top. But there is nothing here on the bottom part of the lens. It is rimless here all on the bottom. A very cool pair of glasses. When I first tried these on, my first impression was just how comfortable they fit on the nose. They have a special kind of little nose guard here that sits, on your bridge that is very comfortable. It's made out of rubber. It's nice and soft. It's actually kind of floating off of the actual frames and the rim. Well, it's connected to the frame on the top, but it's floating off of the actual lenses on the sides. So it's really nice. Now this particular pair of sunglasses has the blue frame, which is it's kind of like an acrylic almost. It's a plasticky like acrylic, very glossy, shiny, and it kind of has like the blue color embedded inside of it. So it's it's a really cool looking frame. The lenses on here are the Maui Jim Neutral Grey lens, which basically is their darkest lens. It almost appears black. The lenses here on this particular pair of neutral gray is a bigradient lens, which means that it's hard to explain. It has a silvery mirror on the top and the bottom, and the middle part is more that black. What Maui Jim does by using these gradient lenses is basically it kind of mimics you squinting. So, you know, like when you outside in a bright sunlit area and you kind of squint, what happens is your eyes kind of close a little bit, and your eyelids and your eyelashes kind of block some of that extraneous harsh light that's bouncing off the ground and coming up, as well as the bright light coming down, right? So we're kind of narrowing things down so you can kind of just focus on, you know, in one spot without all kinds of extraneous light coming in from different angles. That's basically what these lenses do. All right, they have that section right in the middle where you can, you know, see dark, but it has a little extra mirror on the top and bottom to help reflect extra light. Now you do not see that mirror, you know, silver mirror and on top and bottom differently when you look through these things. It all looks like one solid, you know, lens, but it does really help to reflect some of that light. So it's a cool little effect on this. The lenses here are actually a little bit larger. Maui Jim lists this to fit a larger size. However, I gotta say, I don't have a large head, but these things fit me, you know, really nicely. They're very comfortable on me. The glasses themselves may be a little bit wider. The lens on here, the measurement is 71 millimeters from the bridge out to the side on each one. The bridge measurement is 16 millimeters, and the height of the lens from the top to the bottom is 41 millimeters. The glasses have a nice wrap curve. It's an 8, a base curve of 8. And the temple arm here length is 116 millimeters. So it's, like I said, it's a very sporty style of sunglasses. It is, you know, kind of considered rimless. But it also reminds me of not only a rimless pair of glasses, but a nice wrap pair of sunglasses. The arms here are really nice. It's just not like a thick wrap on the sides, like sometimes some of the temple arms on a wrap pair of sunglasses are a lot thicker to block all that extra light from the side. These are not very thick, but you know, nonetheless, it still kind of wraps around your face nicely. Yeah, I mean, I was really surprised the first time I put these on of the comfort. This little nose bridge here with the rubber padding is really nice and comfortable. Now, as I said, these are considered a larger size pair of sunglasses. However, I have to say, the way that the temple arms and the wrap fits around my face, like they fit me perfectly. And like I said, I don't have a large head, so kind of deceived by that a little bit. Overall, I think the size of the glasses across the front is a little bit bigger, but not huge. I think these actually fit me pretty well. But you know, the temple arms here on the sides just fit perfectly. They're not tight, they're not squeezing me, I'm not stretching them, they just fit here really nice. Also, these temple arms on both sides, on the outside and on the inside, they do have nice little rubber pads on them to help hold them in place. I really see these sunglasses as being like a really sporty design, right? Maybe if you're playing volleyball on the beach, maybe you're mountain biking, you know, they're definitely a nice, sleek design for all that kind of stuff. Obviously, you can wear them doing anything. Now, being that these have the neutral gray lens, which is the darkest lens that Maui Jim offers, these are really going to be great in bright light situations. So, if you're out on the beach, the sun's reflecting off the white sand, you're out on the water, the sun's reflecting off the water, in the mountains, if there's snow and ice, really bright areas, this is going to be your best choice. So these glasses, this particular model with the neutral gray lens, bi-gradient lenses here, also have the blue frame. They are also available with a black frame. I tried the blue one, and I gotta say, it's actually pretty cool. It's just a little bit of a contrast. It's a little, striking, a little bit different in color. It's like a rich, vibrant blue on the frames, but they appear darker. So it doesn't look like, blue on top of black so much until you get close up, or in bright light, it reflects a little more blue. But they are still pretty cool. I really like the way the frame comes into the side of the lens over here. It kind of makes the lens look like it's actually pointed, right? It has a nice little curve on the lens here on the top, a rounded curve, and flat across the bottom, but then it seems to like narrow down on the sides. It doesn't really. The lens actually comes straight up here on the sides pretty much. I mean, it has a little bit of an angle, but just the way the frame connects to it kind of gives it the appearance that it's coming out to a point. But yeah, really neat. Now, this lens on here basically is the MauiPure lens, which is a polycarbonate lens, which is basically it's like a plastic lens, okay? So Maui Jim offers some polycarbonate lenses. They also offer what they call the super thin glass. So the super thin glass is supposed to give you the ultimate in clarity, but it also weighs a lot more. So these polycarbonate lenses are going to be a lot lighter. Now, as far as clarity goes, I can't tell the difference. I own a few pairs of Maui Jim sunglasses with the glass, some with the polycarbonate lens, like the MauiPure, the Maui Brilliant. I cannot tell the difference. All right, so don't let that hold you back. If you're saying, well, it's not the super thin glass, it's not going to be as clear. Real life, you can't tell the difference at all. All right, really nice lenses. So, just briefly, if you really want to learn more about these lenses, please, check out the other videos here. Again, I'll show them up here behind me. They are really good lenses, videos all about their lenses and tell you, everything about them. But basically, let me just tell you this, Maui Jim lenses are known for their high quality color and contrast, their clarity, and their polarization. They really are amazing to look through. They take a lot of stress off of your eyes and make your outdoor adventures a lot more comfortable. They're 100% UV resistant, and I mean, they're awesome. So whether you're up in the mountains, out on the beach, out on the water, or even just driving, walking around town, a nice pair of sunglasses makes a huge difference. And these are definitely a great, really nice pair. I've yet to find a pair of Maui Jim sunglasses that I don't like, that I don't think are very good. They're all really, really nice. It just depends on what style and what look you like, what color, lens, and frame, and all that stuff you're looking for. All right. But yeah, so that's basically it here. I don't want to get into all kind of crazy detail on the lenses. Like I said, please check out the other videos because I'll be here for a half hour telling you all about that. But very cool pair of sunglasses. I really do like these. Really sporty, kind of sleek, very lightweight. These things only weigh, I have it written down here, 23 grams. Okay, 23 grams. So they're really a pretty lightweight pair of sunglasses. Not the lightest, but certainly not anywhere near, like the super thin glass, right? They're probably half of what some of the glass lenses weigh. But a very nice, cool pair of sunglasses here. All right, so let me just throw these things on here and we'll wrap up. And thank you very much for watching. Please check out all my other videos here on my Maui Jim sunglasses if you're into all that stuff. They definitely are worth the money. They are a really nice investment and they're going to last you a long time. Also, I keep forgetting, the hinges on these are, you don't even see them. You don't even know there's a hinge in here. They are really, really hidden nicely, and they are an anti-corrosive hinge. So again, if you are using these out on the water, if they get wet, salt water, stuff like that, they will not corrode. These glasses are going to last you a long time. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that little thumbs up, the like button. I appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you're into this stuff. I am looking to build up more and more subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate your support. And hopefully we'll see you back soon with another video. So take care. Have a great day. Bye.